Hi, I'm Ryan with TruckSpring.com, and in this video, I want to explain the differences between the Airlift Load Lifter 7500 XL kit and the Firestone Red Label kit. Both kits offer a 7,500 pound capacity for your 3/4 or 1 ton truck. Starting with the Firestone Red Label kits, the brackets have been upgraded for greater strength, and a new coating is applied that is more resilient against the elements. The airbags themselves have been upgraded with commercial grade cord and rubber from the Firestone Air Ride springs used on semi-trucks and trailers. This allows 150 psi max pressure to get you to the 7,500 pound total rating. The bags themselves are the same size as the original bags, the rubber itself is just stronger. Moving on to the Airlift Load Lifter 7500 kit, the air springs have been increased in size to allow for 7,500 pounds of lift at 100 psi. This larger bag size will result in a better ride comfort at lower pressures and still a respectable amount of lift. As you can see, between these two bags, the original Load Lifter 5000 and 7,500 pound kit bags are quite a bit different in size. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video has explained some information about these kits that you may not have known, and helped you in deciding which kit you're going to choose for your 3/4 or 1 ton truck. Keep in mind that both kit options will typically have compatibility with fifth wheel or gooseneck hitches, but you should check on an application to application basis. If you still have questions, feel free to leave a comment in the video below or reach out to us at TruckSpring.com.